Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here today with another Boxycharm unboxing, and it's my December, make sure I'm not showing my address, Luxe box. So if you want to see what I got in my December box, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so yeah, so this is the box. It's kind of huge, and let's go. I'm just gonna go through like what I get in here quickly, and we just, I've already primed it. Hopefully we don't have no lid primer in here, so I'm not gonna watch the prices. So this month it's winter Luxe, why not? Maybe I'll do like a winterish look, maybe not, maybe I'm gonna do something simple, just depending on what's in here and what's not in here. So the first item in my box is from Pure Cosmetics, and it's the fully charged powered mascara. It's PETA approved, gluten free and vegan free. So, and it's just black. I don't know. So we'll def use that in the video. We will use that in the video. So we'll use that. The other item I got is from Aesology, and it is a detoxifying treatment mask, and they say it detoxifies, purifies and regenerates. And yeah, I mean, this is definitely not something I can use on here, but I will give it a go and see how that works. So that's the other item. The other, what am I saying? The item in my box is from Pharmacy, and it's a honeymoon glow body. So it's a resurfacing serum with honey and pickle pear. I don't know. Let's see. It's a serum for the body, and I'm gonna put a little bit on here just to kind of test it out for you guys, because again, this is not something I can like really test. Smells good. Kind of smell more. I can smell the honey actually. Oh, but it's glowy though. That's pretty, and it smells good. So yeah. So the other item I have on here is an eyeliner, and it's a 24-hour waterproof black liner from Personneur. And it looks like so. I know it's like brown, but the actual liner itself is black. So this is just a regular pencil. The other item I got on here is, this actually is from Ruce. It's a brush set, and it looks like so. I love the brushes from them. They have like the best brushes. So yeah, so it comes with, I guess, 5 brushes, 2 face brushes, and then 2 eye brushes. So this is cute. This is cute. This is cute. That freaked me out. Something from I had a bag laying in, and it just toppled over, and I'm like, okay, we're almost, actually we have a few more items. And this is a vitamin C, so it's Essential Radiance Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream, and this is from Kat Berkey. This looks quite fancy, and this is heavy, like it's glass, like it feels so good. So let's see, let's just read a little bit about it. It applied nutritional science to deliver potent formulations for the skin through technology and cutting-edge nutrition research and concepts. Intelligent ingredients combined produce super nutrient complexes with a cold process to create advanced anti-aging therapy. That seems like a lot, but it's like the jar just feels, insane. And I'm just gonna put like a little bit, just a little bit. It does have a smell. The smell does not prolong. Like, I put it and then the smell goes away real quick. The next item I have on here is from Kish, and it is a sleeping or satin slip set. So it comes with, I love satin pillows. If you got like satin or silk pillows, it's actually really good for your hair. So there's a sleeping mask, and then there's a scrunchie, and then there's a, let me put this over here because I'm gonna dirty it. I can already tell because this is very white. And a pillowcase. I'll stash that over there. And then the next item I got on here, it is a ebony pomade, and it is a deep brow pomade. I don't know why they gave me ebony, man. So that's that, and that's from ABH, and it's, I could use that before I really like it. I might give it away because I don't really use that because I have my brow microbladed or ombre. And the other item on here is a blush, and then this is just an angle brush from ABH. So yeah, so that is it. So these are all the items I got in my box for my November December Luxe box. So we're gonna jump into a look. As you guys see, I did not get any eyeshadow. It's all good, it's all good. I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna do a look. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, you know, because again, that's not the focus of the video. So I'm just gonna do like a quick look, and then, you know, we can jump and try to use as much as the products, as much as I can in the products that I got in the box. That makes sense? That makes sense. So I can use some of the brush, however, some of the plushies. So let's use this one. This one is a what? It's a shadow brush. I'm actually gonna use this palette. This was not in the box. This is from Cara Beauty, and it's behind the mask. Again, I'm gonna do something real quick. So I'm gonna mix Ready for the Gala and then Big River, maybe, to just do something quick. Cause you know we gotta do a look. You gotta do a look. So we're gonna go in with Gala. And just put that all over. This is more or less of a packer brush. I wish that brown was a little bit darker, maybe. This is not a very good blending brush, it's just a pack. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a 204 from Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm just gonna blend the edges. Now I'm gonna go into Big Reveal. I feel like I wish like that brown was a little bit darker, maybe. This is the Spice Latte palette. I just want a darker brown. Okay, so that is it for that part. I'm gonna use this. This is from Mina, and it's an eye gloss. Wow, that was a lot of work. Oh god, look, now I think I did too much. I think no, I went a little bit ham with it. It wasn't coming. And then I just take my finger and I just gonna dip it, just to give it that like that wet kind of look. Okay, I'm gonna jump off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I'm done with the eye. I know the eye is super, you know, simple. I just have a shadow, and then I have that little the eye gloss on it, so just gonna give it that wet kind of look. So yeah, since you know my hair is like kind of like have that wet beachy look, so yeah, so that's the theme. So I moisturized my face today with my no filter pure rose gold. I also got that from them, so I'm like, why not just go with that? Actually, let me just do my Shein foundation, and this is khaki. There's a lot of hype about this flawless brush from Makeup by Yolondo, so let's go ahead and use that today. Oh, this feels good. Okay, this is a good brush, foundation brush. But I don't like to just do you know, the box and don't really do anything else with it. So I'm just like, gotta do something else. For my concealer, I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever concealer. And this will work, I guess. This is from SheGlam. And then this is a 417 brush from Makeup by Yolondo. And I'm gonna use that slick brush to blend my concealer. So the flawless brush and the slick brush is like sisters. The flawless is the older sister, and then the slick is the younger sister. I mean, I don't know, I'm just saying whatever. But they are the same brush, except the flawless is the bigger brush. The slick brush I use to blend my concealer, and I also use it to blend my primer on my eye to lay my shadows. And I'm gonna use this banana powder from Ruce Cosmetics. Wow. My face looks white. Jesus Christ. And then I'm gonna use the destination brush to apply my micro smooth powder from Sephora. Oh my god, my face looks so funny. Like, it's so funny. But put a little bit of primer right here. I think I'm gonna give it like a different color to just spice it up a little bit. Let's give it a little green. I feel like there's like something in my eye. Oh, I need to dust off all this. That green fell everywhere. Let's use that liner that we got in our box from Personer. Now let me see if I can dust off some of this too. You know, like big blushes. Like this. This is a face brush from Ruce. It's not from that, but there's no big brush for me to bronze, so we just have to use this. And I'm gonna use my bronzer from Iconic London. Much better, bringing some color back in the face, girl. Bringing some color to the face. And for my lip, I'm actually gonna just use this gloss from Undone called Sweet Pea. Just like real, nothing much. The lips nice and juicy. Let's blush real quick. I'm just gonna use this blush. I just go across all three of them. I just put it right here. It's my ABH brush. And I'm using Oh Darling from MAC. Okay, where's my big brush? I just dust this powder off a little bit. I go with the wet look on the eye, because you know I have the wet look going on in the hair. Just, you know, keep it cute. So that's it for the hair. So we're gonna go through the box real quick and just, you know, I'm just gonna tell you guys what I got in the box. Okay, so the first item on the box, so you see, calculator is nice and clean, there's nothing on there, is the ABH Deep Brow Pomade and Brow. So it's a duo end angle brush set, and that is $39. The next item is the satin slip set from Kitsch, and it's $36, and then you get the pillowcase, or one pillowcase, the scrunchie for your hair and a sleeping mask, and that is $36. I actually use Kitsch pillowcases, and that's really good for your hair. Satin, silk, you know, good for the hair. The next item on there is from Kat Berkey, and is the vitamin C intensive face serum. You know, that coffee rich vitamin intensive face cream is developed to meet the needs of a lackluster expression complexion and to protect the skin from environment toxin, and this is $116. Now we move on to the mask from Aceology. That's $69, and it is a detoxifying treatment mask for the face. I'm gonna try that actually. And the brush set from Ruce is $50, and it's the Christine set. Includes a duo fiber cheek brush, a small angle cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, a medium dome blending brush, and a graphite petite Rennie cup, and that was $50. And the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body AHA BHA or AHM BHA, I like to say AHA, and it's oh god, my screen lock, and it is a resurfacing body serum. This gloss feels so good. A body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin and eliminates bumps with AHAs and BHAs, AHAs and BHAs. I'm silly, I cocked myself up, and that is $40. And now we have the mascara from Pure. I actually really like that mascara. You know, it kind of like my lower lashes are, they're sad, so it kind of like boosts it up a little bit, just a little bit, and that's $22. And the last but not least item on my list is from Personal Cosmetics. Is the 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. I really like the liner, and that is $14. So my total box for this month is $386, and I think I paid what, $35 for it, or $39.99 or something like that, to that effect. So yeah, so me and Boxycharm is literally a love-hate relationship. Sometimes I get good products, sometimes I don't. The products I got this month, they're good products. You know, they're good skin products. However, that's not necessarily my jam. I prefer, you know, to have products like makeup, more makeup products than skincare. But it seems to me like that's kind of where they're going. They're giving more skincare and less makeup, you know. So that's a little bit annoying, but yeah. So you just, if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, like, it's literally, you just have to, you know, yeah, the pop-up store, the add-ons and stuff like that. Sometimes you can get some really good products, but for me, I'm just like, I don't know. But yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.